look here, it doesn't look right, but if I look here, it looks better. Why isn't this putting up? What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is raNia. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on a slick middle part high bun. I don't want to take too much time on the intro, so I'm gonna just hop into it. So right now is about the time that I start doing things with my hair, just because it's dried out and it doesn't really look as good. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I got it done, how I got to the look. Super easy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this spray bottle just to get my hair a little wet, you know. It's a tad bit dry, you know, so it's easier to work with. I'm gonna part from my eyebrow like to the middle of my hair, like in a crown on both sides. Then we're just gonna section this off, you know, and then your hair is gonna look like this. I don't use regular gel anymore on my hair. I don't know if it's the ingredients, but it just doesn't work with my hair, and it's like breaks it a lot, and I just stopped. So I got this Supergirl gel. It works really good with my hair. It's like a edge control type of thing, and I use this because it just gives you, you know, a general like slick look. So we're just gonna put that in my hair and then brush it up into a ponytail. It doesn't have to be neat yet. I start with the soft side first, just so it's like everything is up there. You could choose to brush the back out now, but I usually wait just to when it's like in a general, you know, slick look. Then I go in with this 24-hour edge tamer. It just works better on my hair. I think I do the same thing as I did with the other edge gel. So once you get the side and everything up how you like it, you're gonna take the ponytail holder and you're just gonna tie it. It doesn't have to be tight yet, but just to keep it out the way and keep it up. Put it in a little bun. So once you have this little part down, we're gonna part it down the middle. Then we're gonna spray it again just to get it wet enough for it to slick back. So I'm going for a more wavy look at the top. I'm gonna go for that and not a really extremely slick part. We're gonna go in with the Supergirl gel, the first gel that I used, just so it could get slick. I look like Lord Farquaad. Anyway, that's not the point. Now we're gonna brush it back. So once you get the top part brushed back, I took down the back and we're just gonna brush that up into a ponytail all together. I do it this way because my hair does like that if I just put it all up with the part. So we're just gonna brush it all back. You can add more gel if you want to, but so now is the time when I usually pull out my edges just to get that curled look because of the gels. So I just pull all the edges that I want out. This part I usually section out with my finger or a comb, but right now we're gonna use my finger and I just keep brushing back. So right now we're gonna take the hair tie and just put it in a messy bun. You could do this two ways. You could either take an extra hair tie and put it in a bun, but I just use one and just put it in a messy bun and figure it out. So right now is the time that you can really like style it how you want to and put all the curls and stuff like that. So you just move things around. I usually put the curls in the back and just fluff it out and hide it a little bit. Take these hairs out. You can really just do it however you want. So this is the final look. I just swooped the side and left the edges curly or whatever, and then left everything hanging in the back. the part and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You know, this is my first video, so if I'm a little awkward, then my bad. But yeah, let me know if you want any more hairstyle with curly hair and stuff. But you're definitely gonna be seeing more of me. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, like, share, all of that. Bye.